Alright, I'm going to lay down 2 coats of clear. I'm not going to put it on real aggressive because that could cause a run. It's a white car, so if I do put the clear coat on and it's a little bit light, you won't even be able to see that I left a little bit of texture on there because I was a little bit light with the clear coat. So be really conservative when you're painting a white or a silver car, because you just don't need that absolute gloss. And when you go for that absolute gloss, you're always taking the chance that you'll have a run. All right, didn't put a lot of clear on there and didn't get any runs, so I'm very, very happy with this repair.